Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and I debated doing this unboxing. Shout out to Team Pixel, made by Google, gift from Google. Listen, Team Pixel has looked out for me. I've only been a member for like a year. And what I've chosen to do with my Pixels after I'm not using them anymore so they don't collect dust is I have decided to give people the opportunity to learn about Pixel phones, because most people are like, hey, we know about Samsung, we know about Apple. Last year was my boyfriend's first time trying a Pixel. I gave him the 5A. And this year, I have a coworker that is in dire need of a phone, and she's gonna get my 6 Pro. 6A gonna hang out for a little bit. I wanna see what's in this box. Like, I've gotten the spoilers. I hate that people get online and feel like they have to tell their life story. So I kinda know what's in this box, but I don't know what color I got. Let's get into this so we can pay it forward with the 6 Pro as we move up to the 7 Pro. All right, y'all. Been at work all day, kind of tired. All right, nice. Presentation is everything, so I'm glad I did unbox this. It says Google Pixel Collection on the box. And we got a bag here. Let's start with the box. So my background is A6 Pro. Brought my son the 6. Oh, there's a mirror so I get to see myself. Y'all don't need to see me. We hope you love your limited edition Google Pixel Collection Kit. We had a blast putting it together for you. Let's get to unboxing. Hashtag gift from Google at Google Pixel _US. Even though they're still made by Google, Google Pixel US is for the US market. And we got white. I've seen a lot of people get white. But if I want the hazel, I can buy the hazel, or I can skin this one, right? And here's the watch. Now you know, got some steep competition over here, Mr. Pixel Watch. Sorry, my dog wants to slurp water right now. I want to be gangster and pull it out the box and knock everything over. So we'll pull it out the box this way. Oh, that was a lot. Go through so much to get the phone off the thing. Have to tear the box up. I like to keep the boxes. When I give the phone, I give the box and everything to the person, you know? So they can have their experience. I had to rip that one off. Hey, doggy. Why are you tearing up the paper? Sorry, y'all. My dog wants to get to the Google Pixel box. So I'm gonna have to charge that, and I'm gonna have to charge this. See if we got any juice. A lot less curvy than last year. Thanks. Feels great in the hand. So we're gonna close this up. And we're gonna see what's in the other box. I guess I should have said the bag. What? Wait a minute. Okay, it's empty. Okay, so they gave you the box in the other bag. Cool. So I got the white set up. I want to say cream, white and cream, because the watch is more of a cream looking band. So again, shout out to Team Pixel. Y'all know I just don't do unboxings. I always have to install a screen protector, show you a case, do something. Now that I know what color phone I got, I know what direction to move in. Bring me all the glittery girly cases, because you'll be able to see them on this phone. Y'all know how I feel about that gloss. Matte is where it's at. Now we're gonna install this Skinomi matte screen protector. Skinomi always gives you a protector and this solution. I've had people ask me if it's soap and water. It says it contains a mild detergent, so I guess it is probably soap and water, but you know, I can see some more dust on this. Let me get that off, because I don't want that under my screen protector. What they tell you is to squirt your fingers and squirt the screen protector. I've installed these on phones that didn't have an IP rating, so we're gonna be fine, people. I'm squirting my fingers right now. I always say the wetter the better, but you don't want it too wet. Pause. And now I'm gonna squirt the screen protector. I'm not gonna squirt the box. Gonna line it up as best we can. Okay, I know that's way off, so let me center this. I'm not crazy about these as I am like the hydrogel. I gotta go find a credit card because they didn't include anything like that. But let me find a credit card to get these bubbles out. Like, this is still moving around because there's more water than I probably should have put on it. But I'm gonna get the bubbles out while there's still water around. And of course, this does not go edge to edge. You don't want a screen protector that goes edge to edge because, you know, we're gonna put a case on it eventually. As always, I'll give you pictures of what this looks like tomorrow. You won't get a finished product tonight. See how wet this is? The closer this gets to dryness though, you wanna go back over these sides periodically because the screen itself, you're gonna be fine with. Closer you get to dry, and they included a little dry rag in here too, so you can follow up behind the wet with the dry. Promise you those edges will come down and dry. But right now that doesn't look too bad. We got most of the bubbles out. We got wings, we're sitting up in the air. But this is nowhere near as curved edge as last year's model. I will throw you some after pictures up because you've been looking at me play with this phone forever. I want to thank y'all for stopping by my channel and checking out my unboxing of the Google Pixel Collection Special Limited Edition Team Pixel Google Pixel 7 Pro. If you enjoyed yourself here, please click the like button. If you've enjoyed multiple videos on my channel, consider subscribing. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. Click on the join button to see what those privileges might be. You might be interested. No pressure there. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money. Hope y'all have a great rest of your day, morning, or whenever you're watching this. Bye.